Wow, it's Sunday! Guess what's for breakfast?
Meow.
That's right! A Sundae! We're out of ice cream. Guess I'll have to use something else. What? Your store doesn't sell ketchup-flavored ice cream? Fine. I'll show you how to make it. Take 4 egg yolks, half a cup of sugar, and a pinch of salt, and whisk until pale yellow and the mixture falls off of the whisk in thick ribbons, about 5 minutes, and then set aside. In a medium saucepan, heat 6 ounces of evaporated milk and 2 ounces of ketchup, stirring constantly until it comes to a simmer. Slowly add the hot milk mixture to the egg mixture while whisking until fully incorporated. Transfer the mixture back to the saucepan and heat, continuing to whisk, to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Then chill the mixture completely. Next, whip half a cup of heavy cream until it has doubled in volume. Add the whipped cream to the egg mixture and fold with the whisk, just until no more lumps remain. Then, pour the mixture into ice cube trays and freeze for 4 hours, or until it's solid. Then, in a food processor, we can combine the frozen cubes and the remaining half a cup of heavy cream, and blend until smooth, about 30 seconds, and scraping down the sides and breaking up any lumps as needed. Transfer the mixture to a quart container and freeze for at least 4 hours before serving. Toppings! Cherries, strawberries, boring. I know. Ready, kidda?
Meow.
And no, we're not eating them raw. Instead, heat up 1/4 of a cup of honey until it begins to bubble and froth, and then cook until the honey turns a light caramel color, an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Be careful because the mixture will be very hot. Then, stir in 2 cups of chopped sweet onion and a pinch of salt. The onions will immediately begin to caramelize. Stir frequently over medium heat until the onions are browned, about 15 minutes. Pour 1/4 of a cup of lemon juice into the onion mixture and simmer until the mixture has a jam-like consistency, about 5 minutes. Allow to cool before topping any ice cream. One last thing! Peanuts. Kidda, our peanut jar is totally empty! Good thing I have this peanut plant growing in the windowsill. And that's totally a peanut plant and not crumpled up brownie, peanuts, a wafer cone, and then pretzel sticks for twigs. A little texture never hurts. This Sundae's gonna taste great! Aren't you gonna join me, kidda? Kidda? Oh well, more for me. Okay, so honest opinion time. It's not awful, but it's nothing I would ever eat again unless I had to. Never make me eat this again. Don't rub the camera! No!